world champion.
In general for Dovizioso.
It's wide. Lorenzo goes wide as well. Lorenzo then cuts back over, closes the door on Danny
Pedrosa chasing a 7th Premier Class podium here in the far MotoGP 15s of Andrea Dovizioso and Andrea Unadi.
Well, he has. Who are we on board with there? It's Andrea Dovizioso, and now goes Bautista's a huge pile-up down into...
that leads this Malaysian Grand Prix from Marquez, from Rossi. Lorenzo having to fight really hard to make a break away from Dovizioso. Crucial favourite overtaking place at this circuit. Even Rossi had only
quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't.
He's charging through, but he's gone deep. Jack Miller was briefly side by side. Marquez and Dovizioso. Did they almost of them were giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly, and that means now we have been such a start, and now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Dobby's up the inside as well.
Hard stopping Stein away up the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does, because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it here.
And this is as far back as he's been in a long, long time. Dobby up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Marquez drive. Dovizioso powers on through. Dovizioso second.
Gonna fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quattararo then with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already.
Marquez on the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge. He started 10.
As Crutchlow, he's gone down and he's holding his hand. And there is Polis.
He's under pressure from Marquez. Rossi has made a great progress. Up 5 places from 10th to 5th.
Rins flying.
Rins keeps making mistakes. In fact, Vinales all over him. Here comes